Alright, here's the barrel test on restore number 87. It's a 1955 5.5 horsepower CD12. I got her all restored. It's a light restore. Rebuilt the ignition magneto, rebuilt the carburetor, rebuilt the gear case, new spark plug wires, new hoses. Customer wanted to keep the dual line tank, so I did. This is a warm start. I've been running her. She runs great. Idle's perfect. Let's put the cover on it and give her a run. See how she runs all dressed up. Okay, got her all dressed up and ready for the dance. Got the cover on it. Customer Ricky wants it patina. Wants to keep it patina, so let's see how she runs with the cover on. Runs good. I didn't give her enough gas the first time to get her started. Let's try that again. Yeah, she's a beauty. She's ready for the Bayou test. Stay tuned for the next video. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Here at T Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Au revoir mes amis and laissez les bon temps rouler.